2 weeks ago on Monday, I did a market breakdown on gold and showed you what I was expecting gold to be doing on the bigger perspective. And today being date 14, you can already see the market did give us about, let's see, the market did give us about 535 pips guys. So when I did the market analysis, these were the market was. So the market had already broken above this area. So I want to do a market recap on what I saw in this market and how I did take these entries before I show you what I'm expecting gold to be doing again this week. So I'll go to the bigger time frame because I didn't delete my drawings. I go to the bigger time frame and show you what I'd seen last week before calling out on these trades. So let me go to the daily time frame. Actually, let me go to the weekly time frame and see what's happening there. From the weekly time frame, you can already see we were on a very strong bullish. We were on a very strong bullish trend. So, seeing that this market was on a very strong bullish trend, we had this correction down here. Then, after having this correction, we go to the daily time frame and see what happened there. So, from the daily time frame, the market had already broken above this correction area. So the market breaking above this correction area was a sign that there is a possibility of this market continuing to push to the upside. And whenever you see something like this, guys, this is a bullish flag. The market did give us a bullish flag at this point. After giving us this impulse move, we had this bullish flag which was a correction. Then breaking above this area, that showed me that there is a possibility of this market continuing to give me buy opportunities, maybe up to this point above here. So I'm expecting the market to push all the way to this point up here to give us maybe a double top before it starts giving us any opportunity for us to start looking for sales. So going to the 4-hour time frame, we can already see these structures. They are very clear. The market did break above this area. So I was waiting for this market to give me a correction, because normally you should understand after the market giving you an impulse move, let's see from the smaller time frame, 1 hour time frame, that's why I did take this entry. So from the 1 hour time frame, I was expecting after the market breaking above this area with the big daily candlestick, I was expecting this market to give me a correction in the lower time frame, which was the 1 hour. That's what I was looking at. So I was expecting this market to give me a correction. Then after giving me a correction, break out of this correction, give me a retest, then give me an opportunity to take that entry. So exactly that's what the market did. The market did break above this area with this impulse move. Then after breaking above this area with this impulse move, it gave us this correction. Then after the market giving us this correction, I knew now I should be keen and start looking for opportunities to buy in this market. So I waited for this market to break above this area. I saw this 1 hour candlestick closing above this area. So after closing above this area, I did wait for this market to give me a retest. At least the market did give me a retest, because you can already see there's a long wick candlestick rejection around this area. Then after that I took my entry at this point. After taking my entry at this point, you can already see right now, if you are a scalper, if you are a swing trader, this is about 535 pips. That's crazy, guys. So that's what did happen last week. And actually it took us about 8 days for this market to play out. But from our entry all the way to this area, there was no any kind of drawdown. We were still in swimming swiftly in blues. So today I want to show you what I'm expecting gold to be doing from the bigger perspective, and how I can take my entries in this market. I'm still bullish in this market because I believe still the market has the potential of pushing all the way to this area. So I'm still bullish in this market. So let me delete these structures and show you what I'm expecting, or let me just put them just like this. I want to show you what I'm expecting this gold to be doing. So guys, if you did take your entries in this market, it means right now you're just enjoying it. I literally shared these entries in my my Telegram channel. I did share these entries in YouTube, my Instagram page, so you can go check out on that, guys. So meanwhile, as you can already see right here, we are on a bullish trend. Let me draw this structure so that you can see, guys. We are on this beautiful bullish trend. So let's draw our trend lines, because normally you should try to understand what the market is doing from all perspectives. We had this one. I'll clone this and put it above there. While I'm doing this, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to get all these insights on the market. I normally do market breakdowns on gold, GBP, USD, GBP, GPY, Euro USD, and synthetics, guys. So make sure you never miss out on this. Subscribe to this channel, then you help me grow as we grow together. So as you can look at this market, we are still on a bullish trend. This is a bigger perspective. So this market did give us an impulse move from this point all the way up here. And I normally tell you guys, whenever you see an impulse move, that means that that market has to give you a correction before it continues pushing to wherever direction it's moving. So after this market giving us this impulse move all the way to this area, then we were expecting this market to continue to push downwards, give us this correction, then maybe before we continue pushing to the upside. So let me zoom in this market so that you can see it clearly. Let me just expand this market so that you can see it clearly. So after giving us this impulse move, we had this correction. We had this correction up here. We had this correction up here. So the market gave us this correction, which is also a bullish flag. And guys, I told you, whenever you see a bullish flag, that is an opportunity for you to be looking for buy entries in a market. That means that this is a continuation pattern. So after the market giving us this impulse move, it gave us this correction, then giving us this bullish flag, which is a continuation pattern. That means that this market has still a potential of continuing to push to the upwards. So after looking at that again, when I look at this market again, this was our immediate high. This was our immediate high, and you already see the market had already taken out our immediate high from this point over here. The market had already taken out our immediate high, showing us that that's another confirmation that this market has a strong possibility of continuing to push to the upwards. And another thing I see when I look at this market, I see an inverse head and shoulder. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Let me just draw it so that you can see it. So there's an inverse head and shoulder at this point, and you should understand that whenever you see an inverse head and shoulder, that's an opportunity for you. That's the market telling you that, hey, we're moving, we're pushing to the upward still. So look at this. We had that. Let me draw it clearly. We had this left shoulder right here. We had this head down here. Then we had this right shoulder. Then we had this was our neckline. Then we had our right shoulder at this point. And right now, as you can already see, the market has already broken above the neckline. The market has already broken above this neckline, giving us a beautiful opportunity for us to start looking for more buy opportunities in this market. That's why I was telling you guys, still I'm bullish in this market because I expect this market to continue pushing to the upwards. As you can already see, the 1 hour time frame, this 1 hour candlestick did close above this area, showing us that there is a strong possibility that this market will continue pushing to the upwards. Then after closing above this area, after this 1 hour candlestick closing above this area, we had a retest. The market gave us this retest. So what we should do in this market is we can take our entry from this point. It's maybe you can wait for these 23 minutes, then you take your entry from this point. But if it was me, I could have taken my entry from this point, just waiting for this candlestick to close. Then you take your entry from that point. Taking your entry from that point, then stop loss should be just right below this area. You should have a very beautiful tight stop loss, about 72 pips stop loss. Then your take profit one should be at this point. This should be your take profit one, about 239 pips. That's crazy, guys. So whenever you get 239 pips, then your take profit 2 probably will be all the way up here. That's if you are a swing trader. But if you are a scalper, whenever you see the market has given you 100 pips, just close those entries, and maybe you can leave some few runners in the market. So I could have taken my entry at this point because I believe the market will continue pushing to the upwards. And from the bigger time frames, I still have a confidence that this market will continue pushing all the way to the upwards. So thank you for watching, guys, and this is Profit and Nature over here. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can help me grow and motivate me to continue giving you this kind of content, guys. So thank you for watching. This is Profit and Nature signing out. See you in the next video. Adios.